Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, we're here at the Elite Tuner Car Show for 2021 down here at Irwindale. This is already going to be insane. I can already tell. There's supposed to be over 700 cars here. That is a lot of vehicles. And so we're posted up right now. We got Mitchell in the Honda. He brought the Honda once again like we had at the last car show, except that was for the clean culture. And I decided to be part of a show finally. And we brought the Porsche. Porsche is here, baby. Spreading and showing that LS7 in the back so people can see, because like again, you don't see one of these oftenly. So gonna try and show this off. Hopefully people dig it. I'm excited. We got the Spoiled Little Bastards in lime green. We got some stickers, some koozies, so if anybody wants them, take them. And we're just gonna get into the show. It's probably gonna be a whole lot of montage video stuff, just because there's, like I said, over 700 cars here to film. And really, we're just gonna go ahead, get you guys a montage, have some fun. Look at all these insane cars, because just for now, I mean, there's just, this place is nuts. There's so much cool content that's gonna be here. I already see a bag Tesla. Michael, that's a shout out at you, because man, what are you doing? And really, we're just gonna go ahead, get into this. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully COVID is going well. I hear we're almost done with that BS, and that's really it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this montage video. Little SLB, little Gapplebees, another little SLB. Mitchell, what do you got to say?
This shit's sick, and I hope I win something.
Mitchell's down to win. Maybe we'll get another two-step action with the little flames, and we'll see what happens. So let's get into this montage.
Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, I'ma get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole plate finna get laced if you step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life, every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chased my peers, and I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like
funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, helium.
And the killer Saturn over in the left lane, getting ready to go. Now's the time. Can he do it? Faster. Ready to go, 2 hot V8s. Well, it starts to stop the man, but we're left the backside.
Without y'all, this ain't possible, for sure.
Forget COVID. We out here to chill, right?
Hey, shout out my boy, it's his birthday. Shout out my boy DK, it's his birthday. Happy birthday to my dog,
Thank you,
DK,
everybody. Hey, we out here to have fun, right?
And now, King Arnez, it's easy. Let's go. Habitat. One time. I make music for y'all. This song right here called Get Sideways. It's going stupid on TikTok right now. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, turbo screaming like a baby. And my car just did a 180. 180. Yeah, my car just did a 180. Hey, car gets sideways like I lost it. 2A. Hey. Follow me on Instagram, Spotify, iTunes, Dat Piff, everything. Throw your hands up. Let's go.
Turbo screaming like a baby.
Turbo screaming. This song called Turbo. This one's stupid. Watch this. 360. We up. Pop the clutch one time, then I'm on one. We don't fuck with 12 when they roll up. Got 2 turbos under here, they on walnuts. And I keep it inclusive like my car club. Yeah, I hit my nigga Tank riding in that orange thing.
You would probably think he reppin' the Hoover gang, but nobody gang bang, we just do our thing. This a park and chill, homie, please don't swing. Hey, disrespect the spot, you get knocked off. Push the button on the roof, now the top's off. This a AMG thing, this ain't a knockoff. And the diamonds like water, Peter pop off, yeah. Hey, and the rims like a glacier, sip Henny with no chaser, yeah. Come on. And the Hemi got 700, now who wanna race this car? Got a turbo in it, 2 hoes. Yeah, they rollin' with us, ball hard, like the Rosen in it. Put the pedal to the floor, drop the clutch and hit it. This car got a turbo in it, 2 hoes. Yeah, they rollin' with us, ball hard, like the Rosen in it. Put the pedal to the floor, drop the clutch and hit it. This car got a turbo in it, 2 hoes. Yeah, they rollin' with us, ball hard, like the Rosen in it. Put the pedal to the floor, drop the clutch and hit it. This car got a turbo in it, 2 hoes. Yeah, they rollin' with us, ball hard, like the Rosen in it. Put the pedal to the floor, drop the clutch and hit it. This car.
Sports mode when you see a nigga fly by. Already gone when you see me. Bye bye. 10 pros if I'm whipping a McLaren. I ain't tripping if they staring. It's part of being a fly guy. Money on the line, gonna put your chips up. Oh, you ain't got it? Not a problem, put your slips up. Cause this car got 2 T's. This shit jump and shift swift. If I dip, the jig's up. So if they wanna race, tell them get in line. When you fall in second place, you gotta give me mine. Cause it ain't about to start, it's about to finish time. I'm at the finish line, eating like it's dinner time. Paint wet, yeah, the whip got a mad drip. Rims poking out the back like some fat hips. 2 hoes in the back trying to match with the Henny, so you know it's gon' crack.
This car got a turbo in it, 2 hoes. Yeah, they rollin' with us, ball hard, like the Rosen in it. Put the pedal to the floor, drop the clutch and hit it. This car got a turbo in it, 2 hoes. Yeah, they rollin' with us, ball hard, like the Rosen in it. Put the pedal to the floor, drop the clutch and hit it. This car got a turbo in it, 2 hoes. Yeah, they rollin' with us, ball hard, like the Rosen in it. Put the pedal to the floor, drop the clutch and hit it. This car got a turbo in it, 2 hoes. Yeah, they rollin' with us, ball hard, like the Rosen in it. Put the pedal to the floor, drop the clutch and hit it. This car.
Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude our time here at the Elite Tuner Car Show. Such a blast, such amazing content for you guys, all these damn cars. Like, look at this freaking place. Over 700 cars. I know I already said that before, but 700 cars, that's insane. So we try to capture as much as we can. Got ahead and got you a whole lot of footage, hopefully a whole bunch of montages. And time for the old Honda and the old Porsche to make its way out and, I don't know, see what's in the next video, I guess. But on that note, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment if you guys want us to join more car shows. We're definitely going to join more car shows, get more into this with the Honda, with the Porsche, with whatever else, maybe the G, maybe the M.I.M.E, who knows what else, but we're just going to try and get into more. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this one. Like I said last time, leave a like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Do it, do it, do it. And on that note,
Subscribe for more.
peace everyone.